Joining now in studio is Ron Tucker. Ron's the CEO of a company called Epic Corporation. Their stock symbol's EPOR. Ron, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Don.
Well, tell us again what the company does.
Well, there's actually two companies. Epic Corporation is a diversified holding company, and then the other company, which is a majority-owned subsidiary, is called RX Healthcare, and it's primarily in the business of being a distributor and seller of the AccuFab products.
Now, what's really interesting about your company, you're a pink sheet listed company, a public company, but you really kind of run it like an NYSE company. You declare dividends regularly. I think you just did it again, didn't you?
Yes, we're declaring which will be the 11th one for our preferred stock, and then we're considering developing a plan to provide the dividend now to the common shareholders also.
Now, I saw a press release that the company put out this week. What can you tell us about that?
Well, what we're trying to do is distinguish the difference between Epic Corporation and RX Healthcare. It seems that most of our investors in Epic have considered it to be the product company, and they're saying they are basing their decision as to the value based on sales. But that isn't Epic's business. Right. Epic's business is to acquire interests, and it just so happens that RX is our own majority-owned subsidiary, but that is in the business. What creates value for Epic is the fact that it owns the exclusive worldwide license to the AccuFab product, which is a patented fabric, which can be used in a lot of different products. And so that's what creates the value. And one of the reasons why the dividends and so forth is to establish a value for Epic apart from the idea of sales. And because as we're starting out in that, and frankly, it's a field that I have no experience in. And so I've gained experience over the last 3 years, and I'm finally starting to get some people involved that know how to sell the types of products that we're having, but it's just slow and it's going to take time.
Well, you know, it's kind of interesting because you don't necessarily have to be a consumer of a said product in order to be interested in the company from a public standpoint.
That's exactly right. And so Epic's been around for over 15 years. We've been trading for about 15 years also. And we're going to continue. And so whether the sales come or don't come, Epic still has value because we're looking for other companies that we can help do the same thing that we're doing with RX Healthcare, but other independent companies.
When you're looking at companies that you're going to be working with, is there any sort of criteria that you look for?
Yes, we're looking for companies that have some kind of a proprietary type product, not just do for different, but they've got to have something that's proprietary, so that then it can be going into an established market. That's preferable rather than have to create a market.
Yes.
And but where they have it has a real potential.
Once again, the company is Epic Corporation. Their stock symbol's EPOR. Ron, thanks for joining us. Great update.
Thank you.